Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. May God bless you and your family through the rest of this year and in the year to come. This is our last video health tip in the month of November, and again, we will be continuing with the theme of pro and prebiotics. Now, since this is a big eating day, this may be of special interest to some of you. Irritable bowel syndrome is the most common gastrointestinal disorder in the Western world, yet why it's there and its cause pretty much remains unclear. Well, a recent study has just shed some light on the mysteries of IBS, finding that probiotics containing strains of lactobacillus and bifidobacter effectively reduce abdominal bloating and distension in people with IBS. So all of you irritable bowel sufferers out there, again, start taking probiotics. Personally, most people should be on probiotics. It makes a big difference in your immune system and a big difference in your digestive tract. Wards off a lot of other diseases. I'll keep this short and sweet today. If you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, please hit the like button for me. Or you can go to www.dillonchiropractic.com and enter your name and email address when you get the prompt on the screen. And not only will you get a free 52 Health Tips ebook, but you will also get signed up for our weekly video health tip. Now, we'll never ever spam you. You can always unsubscribe at any time in the link at the bottom of the page. So, as always, if there's any questions about this or the article that's attached in the Doctor's Resources Guide on my website, please feel free to call me here at Dillon Chiropractic, 606-929-9667. I'm Dr. Dillon. I'll be more than happy to talk to you, or my staff will be more than happy to answer any questions about the article or any other health concerns in general. This is Ashland, Kentucky chiropractor Dr. Gary Dillon, and I look forward to next week when we bring you another video health tip helping you and your family to be as healthy as you can be.